Stop. Before you say your first sentence today, listen carefully. Have you ever tried to speak English and suddenly nothing comes out? You know the words, but your mind goes completely blank and you freeze. Why does this keep happening again and again and again? Why do you understand everything but still can't speak? You start thinking, is this correct? What if I make a mistake? What if they judge me? And the more you think, the more silent you become. Someone is looking at you, waiting. Just a few seconds, but your heart is fast. Your throat feels tight, and you say, or nothing. And if you don't fix this, this will keep happening every single time. But today, you don't stay silent. Hey, I'm Gwen. Welcome to Fluent Core English. Today, you will learn how to talk about your daily routine in simple, real English. So when someone asks you something, you answer without freezing. If you understand English but feel shy, slow, or nervous to speak, this is for you. But listen, if you just watch and don't speak, nothing will change. So stay with me and speak with me. Open your mouth and speak right now. Don't think, just speak immediately. Good. Let's start. I usually wake up at 7 in the morning. Now you say it. I wake up around 7 every day. Say it again. Don't stay silent. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I still get up. Now you say it. Don't stop. This is where change starts. My alarm rings and I turn it off. Say it. Sometimes I think, just 5 more minutes, but I still get up. Say that your way. Now say it in one flow, no pause. I wake up at 7, my alarm rings, and I get up. Good, you are speaking. Keep going. I sit on my bed for a minute and stretch my arms. Now you. Sometimes I feel lazy, but I still move. Say it. Even if your sentence is not perfect, speak. Then I go to the bathroom. Say it. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Now faster, say it. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Did you feel that? Stay with me. Cold water wakes me up, even when I feel tired. Say it slowly. Even when I feel tired. Now strong. Cold water wakes me up. Good. Again. After that, I go to the kitchen. Say it. I make my breakfast. Now your turn. Sometimes I don't feel hungry, but I still eat. Say it. I eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. Say both. Now don't pause, say it together. I eat toast and eggs, sometimes fruit. If you stop now, you go back to silence, so keep speaking. I drink a cup of tea. Say it. Something warm makes me feel calm. Now you, say it your way. Don't stay silent, say something. While I eat, I check my phone. Say it. Sometimes I read messages, Sometimes I check the weather. Say it. Wait, give me a second. I'm thinking. And I still speak. This is real English. This is you speaking. After breakfast, I choose my clothes. Say it. I wear simple clothes, like jeans and a shirt. Now you. If it's cold, I wear a sweater. Say it. Now faster, go. I wear jeans and a shirt. Good, keep going. I check my bag. Say it. I make sure I have my phone, my keys, and my wallet. Now say it without stopping. Don't pause. Go. I check my bag and take my phone, keys, and wallet. Are you still with me? Good. Don't stop now. Then I put on my shoes and leave the house. Say it. Now I'm ready to start my day. Say it like you mean it. Good. You didn't stay silent. You spoke. But don't relax, because next someone will ask you, what do you do every morning? And this time you will answer without stopping. Stay with me. Don't slow down now, because this part is where most people lose control. They start thinking again, and they go silent. But you won't. At 12:30, I take a lunch break. Now say it. Don't wait. I go to the kitchen or the break room. Say it again, like it's real. Sometimes I bring food from home because it feels comfortable. Sometimes I don't, and I just buy something small. Now you, say your version. Don't pause. Say it in one flow. I take a lunch break and eat something simple. Good, but don't relax yet. This is where people stop speaking. You keep going. I sit with my co-workers and we talk. Say it. We talk about simple things, the weather, movies, weekend plans. Now you, don't stay silent. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes it's quiet. Both are normal. Say it your way. Even if you don't know what to say something. After lunch, I feel a little better, more focused. Now say it, slowly. I drink some water or tea and I go back to work. Say it without stopping. Now fast, don't think. I go back to work and continue my day. Good, that was real. Don't go silent now. We're just getting to real life. Around 5 o'clock, I finish work. Say it. I turn off my computer, pack my bag, and leave. Now you, one breath. I feel tired, but also proud. Say it like you mean it. Some days are hard, but I still finish. Now say your version. I step outside and the city feels quieter. Say it. I walk to the bus stop and wait. Now you. Sometimes I just stand there, thinking about my day. Did I do well? Say it your way. Did your mind try to stop again? Good, you're still speaking. The ride home takes about 20 minutes. Say it. Sometimes I look outside, sometimes I close my eyes and just rest. Now say both. Don't pause, connect it. I look outside or close my eyes and rest. Good, keep going. When I get home, I take off my shoes and I feel lighter. Say it. I change into comfortable clothes and my body relaxes. Now you, say it slowly. Home feels safe. Say it. This is your life. Say it. I sit on the sofa and take a deep breath. Now say it. Sometimes I watch something, sometimes I just sit quietly. Now your version. Silence is okay, but not when you're afraid to speak. So speak. Around 7 o'clock, I make dinner. Say it. I cook something simple and I take my time. Now you. Cooking makes me feel calm. Say it slowly. I eat slowly and I enjoy the moment. Now say it clearly. I don't rush. I don't check my phone. Say it. Good. Stay with me. After dinner, I clean up. Say it. I like things simple and clean. Now you. Don't drop now. You've come too far. In the evening, I relax. Say it. Sometimes I watch something. Sometimes I talk to someone I care about. Now your version. Sometimes I just think and listen to music. Say it. I like quiet time. Now say it, softly. Around 9:30, I get ready for bed. Say it. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and slow down. Now you. I change into my pajamas and my room feels calm. Say it. The lights are soft. Everything is quiet. Now say it slowly. I sit on my bed and think about my day. Say it. What did I do well? What can I do better? Now ask yourself in English. Say one answer. Don't think too much. Good, that was yours. I turn off the light, lie down, and breathe. Say it. I feel thankful, even if the day wasn't perfect. Now you. Tomorrow is another chance. Say it, strong. Good. You just spoke your full day. Not perfectly, but clearly. You didn't just watch this. You used English. Most people wait until they feel ready. But you speak first and confidence follows.
Very soon, someone will ask you, "What do you do every day?" And this time, you won't freeze. You will answer instantly. If you really want to speak English, not just understand it, subscribe to Fluent Core English, because here we don't stay silent. We speak every single day. And don't miss the next part, because next
you will speak in real conversations, without fear, without stopping. Don't go back to silence. Keep speaking. I'll see you in the next session.